Hello, welcome to Zay Trade. Hello, welcome to Zay Day Trades Futures. My name is Azaria K. Hinton, better known as Zay. I am a wife and mother of four. I was born and raised in Louisville, Kentucky. I am also a 100% self taught, full time profitable day trader. I am also certified and a funded day trader for multiple prop firms. I am also a financial investor and advisor for the last 9 years, and currently I am still a licensed life and health insurance professional. I am an owner of 2 to 3 small businesses. One I really don't do too much, but yeah, I'm still an owner of that. Um, Also, I am currently a college student and I am also IC3 certified. So today I'll be sharing with you guys a small introduction to day trading. We'll be going over a few topics that I feel will be very beneficial to your journey if you're interested in day trading. We'll be going over the realistic timeline to become consistently profitable. We'll be also discussing the amount of time and effort it takes to be a day trader. Um, Rather simple, but not so simple learning approach to being a day trader. We'll be talking about mentorship opportunity that you guys should definitely look into. We'll also be talking about risk management, emotional discipline, market knowledge, starting with a demo account, importance of a trading journal, and accessing trading capital. So, the realistic timeline to become a consistent, profitable day trader is between 12 months to 2 years if you practice and commit to learning the market full time. Full time. Okay. um, yeah. It could also take 2 to 6 years. I've seen it as long as 6 years if you practice and commit to learning the market part time. Results vary by individual. Let me repeat that. Results vary by individual. It is up to you, no one else. I can give you the bread and butter, but if you don't slather it on the bread, you might as well throw it in the trash. Only a small percentage of people make a everyday living being a day trader. That's like saying one out of 100 people make it, like consistently being a day trader. So it's very rare to be a consistent day trader. Okay. Not impossible, it's rare. So ask yourself, are you one of the chosen ones? Let's see. This is not a get rich quick scheme. If you're looking for an easy way out, are you looking for someone to give you signals on when to push a button? You better run because this ain't it. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You're going to have to work hard for this if you really want it. Okay. Um, if anything ever came easy, you better give it back. And if you ever heard of someone saying, "Oh, it only took me 1 month," yeah, I mean, you can push a button and make a couple $1,000s. It's simple, but not so simple either. So, yeah, guys, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Okay. Um, the time and effort, as I mentioned, is really based on you as an individual. I will say this: traders who dedicate and commit full time hours in the market to learning and practice generally become profitable faster than others who only like do it like when they got free time, you know? So it is a rather simple but not so simple learning approach to being a day trader. You have to stick to one solid and proven strategy that I can actually show you. And also by refining it without jumping from strategy to strategy. Stick to what you know, stick to what's good. Okay, there are 1,000 different strategies out there. Um, Fibonacci, support resistance, there's all kinds, thousands of indicators, everything. But is it going to work for you? That's the question. So, mentorship. Working with an experienced and successful mentor like moi can significantly shorten the learning curve and potentially help you become profitable within 12 months. Okay. I can't guarantee anything, but if you listen, you show up, you pay attention, and you dedicate hours into the market, I'm telling you, I can help you. I can help you. Risk management. Risk management is what takes people out. It'll chew you up and spit you out so fast if you don't really like have this concept like embedded in you. This is what takes people out of the game. Risk management. You have to master the ability to control losses and manage the risk of losses. Is so crucial. Like, you're going to hear me preach to you guys about this risk management, guys. It's crucial. It will take you out and will never put you back in. Okay. So you really have to develop the skill to lose properly. Being a day trader, that just comes with it. You're going to lose. Okay. You may not lose often. You might even have months where you don't lose anything, but it comes with it. And this is just the nature of being a day trader. You have to manage your losses. Okay. I can't stress that enough. Emotional discipline. Oh my goodness. Just know that every dollar in the market is not your dollar. Okay. Not all of them. There's so many dollars that you can just grab, but you have to focus on the dollar that's for you. Okay. Day trading, it requires strong emotional control to avoid impulsive decisions driven by fear, greed, and overconfidence. Okay. Overcoming these human biases can take a significant amount of time and self reflection. I can't tell you guys how many times I've screamed at this computer, or I lost a trade and I just wanted to sleep it off, or I revenge trade, I lost money and I'm like, I'm going to get my money back. Okay. You have to control that. And it's going to take some time, but don't let it take you out of the game. Okay. So emotional discipline is very essential. Very essential. And you have to be real with yourself. You gotta be real with yourself. Trading will definitely show you what kind of person you are, how you are with money. Okay. If you can let $300 slip out of your hand, 30,000 could slip right out of your hand too. I done seen it. Market knowledge. Okay, let's get on this. It is very vital to have a deep understanding of market mechanics, technical analysis, and how to adapt to the changing market conditions. It's really essential in the long term success for you. I actually got into trading February of 2025, and that's when the market started to crash. It crashed all the way up until like September, you know. June is when we started to come out of it. In September, we started to really go up. But yeah, you have to really adapt to those conditions and the market environment. So I'm telling you, these candlesticks here, what you see on the screen, the red and green, they have attitudes, they have personalities. And you're going to have to figure out what kind of attitude are they trying to give you. Okay, it's fun. It's fun. It's kind of like playing a game a little bit. Yeah, but yeah, market knowledge is really important. Of course, they have like economic news and everything, which can also alter the way that the markets, go. If like Donald Trump announces something like scary, something that Americans don't like, you can see the attitudes of the candles, moving different ways. So yeah, it's important to put hours into the market to develop that understanding. Okay. I will definitely encourage that you do start with a demo account. So most traders, they start with a demo account. It's free for a lot of different platforms. Some of them do cost money. I can actually help you get a free demo account. So it's just called like paper trading. It's like monopoly money, I guess. It's no risk to you. It's not out of your own pocket. They start most people out with like $100,000 of paper money, and you will have an opportunity to be in the live market. It's a simulated environment, but it's the live market. So the same market that millionaires are placing their buys and sells, you can also use your $100,000 of paper money to buy and sell. And so you can get a feel of the market, and it also allows you to practice and critique your strategy without risking real money. Okay. Because when you risk real money and you don't know what the hell you're doing, even if you got some advice from people, you're gambling. You're gambling. Don't gamble. This is not the place to gamble. The importance of a trading journal. I have a trading journal. I have all kinds of stuff where I keep track of what I'm doing for the week so I can identify my strength and my weaknesses and learn from my mistakes. Um, because that's really important to reflect on what you could have done better, um, what you're really good at, what made you profits, so you can continue to do it again and again and again. So, yes, you want to definitely track your performance with a trading journal. I know a lot of times if I had a bad week, I would stop journaling, and I wish I never done that, in my journey. But yes, guys, it is really, really important to have a trading journal. Accessing the moolah, the trading capital. Okay, the trading capital. Now, you might hear people say, yes, you can start with as little as like $50, $100. But I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna burn up in flames, baby. It's going to evaporate so fast. You don't want to gamble like that, okay? You can if you want to. If you have a proven strategy, you know what you're doing out there, it's not gambling at that point if you know what you're doing. But It's extremely risky for beginners to trade your hard-earned money. I would recommend that you go with like a prop firm. They give you like a test or a challenge, and if you make, the certain amount within the rules that they have set in place for you to make that certain amount, they can give you access to even up to like $2 million of trading capital. So far in my journey, I'm less than a year in, guys. Um, I've gotten $100,000 of trading capital. So that's pretty good. So I got a lot of wiggle room to make mistakes, lose some money, and make it back times 10. So it's really important to have some trading capital. I threw in $500 into the stock market and it disappeared within 2 weeks. And yeah, I wasn't happy about that. But yeah, you can't come to the markets with a little bit of money, guys. You can't. It's really recommended to have at least $2,000. $2,000 if you know what you're doing. All right. So the next step, let's go. I am offering a mentorship program. It will start in January of 2026 by the grace of God. And I am really excited to be your coach. I am going to be here from you from start to finish if you allow me to. Um, my mentorship program, you have to join my Discord community. It is $50 a month. Not bad. There's some traders, especially the millionaires, they're charging like $2,000 a month to join their group and stuff. So I'm charging a little bit of nothing, and it's gonna come with a lot of something. Okay, you can cancel at any time. Totally up to you, but it will give you access to me, a successful and profitable day trader, weekly. Okay. I'm also going to be providing you guys with ongoing education and support. You will have access to one proven and tested, like 1,000 million tested strategy, like just one strategy. Okay, it's been tested by me millions and millions of times, and I can assure you guys, you're going to see results. Okay, you're going to see results. You're going to see results. You're going to see. I don't know how many times I'm going to have to tell you guys, but um, you're also going to have access to live trading sessions with me. Also, you will have an opportunity to have one-on-one training by moi. Okay, one-on-one training, and you will also be participating in a free pre-funded challenge bootcamp that that you and other traders are going to be in, and I'll be looking at your trades. I'll be identifying some of the demons that you're experiencing, some of the bad things, some of your cons, some of your pros, and really trying to narrow down the strategy to where it fits you. Um, you will also be a part of a community of beginners and advanced day traders. Okay. Also, I'll be giving you directions how to set up your own trading platform and system to become a profitable day trader, and so much more. So, $50 for as an investment to your future is it will be very mind blowing to you once you see how successful you can be in the stock market. And ways how you can connect with me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that it brought some value to you. These are some of my connects that you can contact me with. My Discord community will be up and running come January. I do have a YouTube channel, not many YouTube videos there. I have a TikTok that you guys can check out, just trading stuff. It's not my personal TikTok. I have an Instagram, and then I have a WhatsApp group that I'll be creating, and then that's my email. Um, it all says Zay Trades Futures. So, yes, guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning into this video. And I cannot wait to connect with you, and I cannot wait to help you reach your goals in the stock market. All right, ciao.